Hey, it's me, Leah, and today we're going to talk about this smart bird feeder. I'm kind of excited about this. It's a smart birdhouse. High definition pixel, anti-predator design, easy cleaning design, renewable logs, full vision, night color, and remote bird watching. So let's open this up and see what this looks like. And my wonderful husband's going to mount this to a tree for me. So I have the camera on, and it's a birdhouse. So birds like make their little bed right there, and then you can see inside. So we have the panel all ready to go, and it comes with all your mounting screws.
All right, so here's a tree house, a solar tree house. We have a nice little tree that birds like to nest in here, and I had to cut this back before, so it just sits in there nice on a base, like that. We're gonna come out here.
So the birdhouse is mounted inside. Let me just move this cord a little bit. So now they can go in there and make their little home, and I can watch from the camera inside the birds. So we'll show you what the camera footage looks like, but there's no birds in there yet. But I'm excited to see what birds build little homes in there.